Hello everybody, welcome back to Divination Diva. So this is going to be a video about what are their next action towards you. So let's get started. So this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. This is a general reading for the entire collective out there. So let's see. What are their next action towards you? Now, this person could be anybody. Of course, it could be a love interest, a romantic interest, but it could be just anybody who you want to know their next action towards you. Let's see. We already have a card and it's kind of like it's fallen. So first we have the Five of Pentacles. This person feels very sad and alone without you. This person feels very defeated also without you. They miss you, yet they don't want to come towards you. I don't know why. I'll keep this card aside and we'll draw out few reasons for this, that why don't they want to come towards you. Now their next action kind of towards you, Strength and Six of Cups. They want to have a friendship with you. They want to have a connection with you. They kind of want to have a patient, loving connection and all those kind of things with you, but there is a but. We'll draw out we'll draw out explanation cards for this scenario. The King of Swords, maybe they're not able to achieve some sort of mental clarity. Maybe they are not able to this is very funny that this man is holding a mosquito racket. It's like they're not able to shoo away the flies in their head. That was random. They're not able to kind of things are going on in their head and they're just not able to go away, go away, go away. That is not kind of happening. The flies keep coming back. The buzz keeps on coming back. Zzz, that keeps on going on in their head. Zzz, continuous buzzing of some kind. Let's see. I guess that is why they are not even though they miss you, they feel lonely without you, yet they don't talk to you because of the zzz. Funny. Let's see what more can I pick up. Yet they will do it. I'll start with this one first. Ace of Swords. We have the King of Swords, Ace of Sword, mind, air element, mind element, thoughts. Sword energy is thought energy. They will zzz, calm down the zzz. Like with this with that image of the King of Swords, and there is silence in the entire room, and there is that one bug that keeps on coming and zzz, zzz. How irritating that is. That is there somewhere in their system with regards to something, could be anything. That one bug, that continuously that bug keeps on coming and zzz. But they'll find a way through it. I won't use the word cut through it, the bug is very small, but they will shoo it away. So, and when they shoo it away, Emperor, World, Knight of Pentacles, when they shoo it away, they will be in their very stable energy because the bug is gone, the fly is gone, and a very big cycle for them will end. I'm being pushed to ask what is this bug. I will take my sweet time and do it. This person wants to bring a lot of stability in your life. This person is like the end goal of your life. Their next action towards you is kind of becoming stable and then coming towards you. Nice. What is this bug? Drum roll, please. We'll see what the bug is about. Zzz. Let's see. It's their own expectations of other people. It's their own it's the cage they have put themselves in because what other people expect of them. Maybe society, parents, friends, siblings, people expect something off of them, and they have put their own self in that cage because of that. That is the bug, and it's literally this much literally, and my fingers are joined. It's like negligible, this much it is. So we have the Page of Swords, the 10 of Cups, and the 3 of Wands. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the 8 of Cups. This bug is so tiny, literally so tiny, that it has not let this person live for perhaps maybe 8 months or 8 years. I kind of, with this bug, I remember that thing of the story where the pea and the princess, there is like a lot of mattresses, but then there are like 3 peas and the princess is very annoyed with that. That is exactly how small the bug is, and yet it's affecting them so much, so much it's affecting them. Wow. Yeah, they will have to shoo away this bug. Nothing will happen otherwise. Page of Swords, 10 of Cups, and 3 of Wands. The bug is also created by their own mind, by the way, as I said before. The bug has no physical what is the word, no physical existence. It's just a mental existing kind of a thing, and then it will happen. They'll come towards you. You'll have a happy family. It will be calming, peaceful, happy, stable, joyful. Everything will be there. But this bug has to go. This stupid bug has to go. Has to stop. Otherwise this won't happen. Otherwise the happy family and all that will not happen. But it will go. How much ever I can pick up on the energy and everything, it will go. The bug will go. Because the bug, as I said, it's mentally created, and they will understand this pattern. They will understand this thought pattern that their thoughts are going in, and they'll shoo away the bug. So yeah. So that is all I have for you today. Hope this helps, and like this video, share with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I put up a video. And I will see you next time. Bye.